What is good, YouTube? I'm Darren Lamar. Today gonna be unboxing some seasonings I just picked up from Spiceology. It's a company I've been looking at and wanting to try their rubs for a minute, so I finally pulled the trigger on their rubs. Got a mail call too, look at that, from Darren. What is good? What's up, world? I'm Darren Lamar. Today, I'm in the middle of editing a video for you guys. I know it's been a while. I just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I appreciate all the new comments. Haven't uploaded in a while because my camera went down. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because Instagram for surely seen it first. It's at Goat Mine Barbecue. I'll put a link in the description. No videos on the way. I have an updated Pit Boss versus Traeger video, kind of more in depth than what I went into the first time. So I just want to say thank you for all the new subscribers and the comments. I'll be answering all of your questions. Yeah, so right now it's June. I know you guys are like, what are you doing? Well, it's 50 degrees in California, so that's a cold day. That's why we're all bundled up out here. Alright, but yeah, definitely. I appreciate all the new comments and new subscribers, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Alright, let's see what's in here. Start the letter first. So this is from Pit Boss. From Pit Boss Nation, baby. Let's go. Hello, Pit Boss Nation. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Pit Boss Nation. If you own a Pit Boss, comment below. What Pit Boss grill do you own? I want to know. I think the people over at Dancing and Pit Boss want to know too. What are you guys smoking on? Let's roll some smoke to send you a thank you gift. So let's open up this thank you gift. Let's see what's in here. You got some hashtag Pit Boss Nation. If you're using Instagram, make sure you follow me, my Go Mine Barbecue. So make sure you follow me over on Instagram, Go Mine Barbecue. The Twitter will be up soon. Are using that hashtag right there, Pit Boss Nation. And make sure you at me in all your pictures at Go Mine _barbecue. The Pit Boss sticker. We are hype. Poultry. What temp are we supposed to pull poultry on? This continuous autofocus is killing me. 165, baby, in case you don't know. What about pork? Yeah, it's okay to pull it off pink. 145. Don't be scared of a little pink, guys. It's not 2000 and it's not 1983. Alright? Don't be scared of the pink. Fish, 145. Man, these some bomb stickers. Lamb, same thing, 145. Don't be scared of a little pink. It's only gonna make you feel good, and it's gonna make your taste buds go crazy. And beef, 145. But we over here at Go Mine Barbecue, Darren Lamar, we like to pull it off at like 125, 135, depending on what we're cooking. So leave a comment below if you're a Pit Boss grill owner. This other box that we got going on, let's see what's in this big box. And did I tell you guys I got a Weber? Yeah, I got a Weber. Oh yeah, I got a Weber. And I thought I would need some of these handy dandy, where is it? The char baskets. Man, I was using a cheap little $14 grill all my life. Finally stepped it up to a real Weber. Quality is off the hook. So it's the big boy, the Spiceology honey habanero right there. Best Buy 6/20/2018, really? Cowboy crust. Now, you guys know I make my own rubs, but I wanted to give these a try. So here it is. This is what we're going to be using on our chicken wings, because we're cooking up some chicken wings today. And this is going to go on the tri-tip. Probably not today, but in the near future. So let's see what's in here. It's got some honey, some brown sugar, paprika, salt, and habanero powder. All right. Alright, so this is what we're doing. We're doing the smoky honey habanero. So we're gonna throw some olive oil down. Alright, so first, the exposure looks a little overexposed, but I'll fix that in post. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I do Instagram live stories when I'm laying salt. So, got them olive oiled up. Gonna go liberal with this honey habanero seasoning. Baby. Might be spicy sweet wings. Let's get these mashed up. Yep, no gloves today, baby. We going straight in because we got a lot of stuff to delete off of this memory card. because we only got 40 seconds left. Here it goes. I've gone real liberal today. Really want to taste that. Alright, so the skin is about what I wanted in the color. I'm going to throw this up right there. And see if we can turn it on this. So the wings are all done. Use that hashtag Pit Boss Nation. Make sure you follow me at goatmine_barbecue. But just for a little good measure, we're gonna take some of this smoky Spiceology habanero, sprinkle some on top, just like that. All right, so we are just gonna dive straight into these wings. So let's get them started. Remember, we use the Spiceology smoky honey habanero. Here they are, looking so lovely. So let's try one of these bad boys. Man, that's some good rub right there. So I coated them with some more of that smoky habanero. They're looking real good. Chance number 2. I coated them with some more of the smoky habanero. You can see the nice juicy coat of seasoning on there. So let's give it a taste. Sweet. Oh, spicy. Yeah, I like it. Make sure after you cook it, you sprinkle a little more on there if you're doing like that open flame grilling. Not sure how it would turn out if I had just smoked it, but that's another video. But just like this, with a little sprinkled in after you grill it. All the flavors. Smash that like button. I was gonna make like a honey sauce, but I just didn't feel like it. But if you like this video, make sure you hit the smash that like button. Hit it once, hit it twice, hit it 3 times, hit it 4 times. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. We're gonna do a whole chicken. We're gonna do some tri-tip, and we're gonna use this Spiceology cowboy crust. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys. Peace.